So, hari kami, sir, subong mag-interview sa imo as a PE teacher. So, my first question is, in which institution do you currently teach?
Yes, I'm currently teaching here in Holiday Site Colleges.
So, how many years have you been in teaching profession?
Okay, having my former years in Jetson, photos teaching, Jetson, I have 2 years, and then currently still working hard in Holiday Site. So around 8 years, I guess.
Okay, so how many students are typically enrolled in your classroom?
This semester, usually all of my sections are around 40 to 50.
Okay. How does class size influence your classroom management practices?
It depends on how when you are like reciprocating based on what should be done or not. What different activities are aligned for them so that for better teaching.
So, what teaching strategy do you employ to ensure effective learning outcomes?
For me, I always use collaboration learning, where I look for the students and they bring their own ideas to solve a certain problem or scenario.
So, for the last question, sir, what professional qualities do you possess that contribute to your effective as a teacher?
It's because of understanding new experiences, which for me, it can really help strategies, the things that I use in teaching. Those experiences help me to be a better teacher based on my experience.
So, thank you, sir, for your cooperation.